Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Brooklyn and I'm creating existing condition drawings of a townhouse. The drawings will include floor plans, RCPs, and electrical plans. Right now I'm standing on the parlor level. Let's see, we have stairs up to 2 more living levels, and then there's also a roof level that has kind of like a common area and bathroom. This is open. Kitchen here, and then down to garden level, and there's a finished basement also. So this is what I'm working on today. This is the front of the house of the parlor level. This is what I'm working on today, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings, whether it be of a townhouse in Brooklyn or something in the tri-state area, upstate, Hamptons, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thanks for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.